secession, doesn't want to leave the Union of India. I believe, you may disagree with me, I believe they want more autonomy. Now, whether you want to give them autonomy or not is the government's prerogative. But I believe they want autonomy. Now, what are you doing by repealing Article 370? I fear, I genuinely fear, Honorable Home Minister, I genuinely fear you are pushing the thousands and thousands of young men from this column to join the other column of a few hundred. I sincerely hope it will not happen, but if it happens, you will rue this day, you will rue this day when you repealed Article 370. Sir, the second thing you're doing is, you're dismembering a state. You think you're doing it to Jammu and Kashmir. But what you're doing to Jammu and Kashmir, using these provisions, misinterpreting these provisions, in fact, I could go to say mischievously interpreting these provisions, what you are doing to Jammu and Kashmir can be done to any other state.
Yes, correct.
Please tell me why the mechanism that you have devised to dismember Jammu and Kashmir will not apply to any other state. Please convince us that Derek O'Brien and I are wrong. All you have to do is dismiss an elected government, dissolve the state legislature, promulgate president's rule, declare parliament to be the state legislature for the time being, and divide that state. My friend from Orissa, I told him, what stops a future government from carving out a union territory for the KBK districts? What stops a future government from creating a union territory or a new state in North Bengal? What stops a future government from dividing Tamil Nadu? My friends from the AIADMK are here. They don't realize what you're doing. The same provisions, the same method, the same resolutions can be applied to any state. But I think in doing it for Kashmir, you've made a fatal legal error. I won't tell you what the legal error is now. You will discover it in due course. But my greater concern is what you're doing today sends a very, very wrong signal to all the states of this country. Sir, all I can do is appeal to the Honorable Home Minister. Even at this late stage, stop, pause, reflect on what we are doing. If you're determined to repeal Article 370, I can do nothing about it. It's between you and those who want Article 370 and the Supreme Court of India. But the other thing that you're doing, dismembering Jammu and Kashmir, for heaven's sake, in the name of the people of India, I appeal to you, don't do that. Don't dismember that state. It's one state. It came to us as one state. I don't want to recall history or those tall personalities who brought Jammu and Kashmir to accede to India. Some names continue to reverberate. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, V.P. Menon, Gopal Sami Iyengar. They brought Jammu and Kashmir under an instrument of accession. That is history. That is a historical document. It's as important as the Constitution of India. But if you wish to ignore history, if you wish to ignore the compact made with Maharaja Hari Singh, If you wish to ignore what Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was able to achieve in those difficult days, it's your privilege. Do what you like. What you're doing is wrong. What you're doing is wrong. Repealing Article 35A is wrong. Amending the Constitution, invoking Article 370 is wrong. Doing away with Article 370 is wrong. But do all those wrongs. Do all those wrongs. I'm willing to, who am I? I'm willing to tolerate all those wrongs. But for heaven's sake, don't dismember Jammu and Kashmir. Don't do that cardinal sin. Don't commit that monumental blunder. Sir, shortly after I was born, this country became free. This country is free, democratic, republican, liberal, secular. All of us who are below the age of 70, all of you who are below the age of 70 were born in such a country. Today I despair. How long will this country remain the country envisaged by the founding fathers of our Constitution? How long will it remain truly free, truly democratic, truly republican, truly liberal, truly secular, and truly a union of states? India, that is Bharat, is a union of states. What you are doing is destroying that union of states, and what you do today will have catastrophic consequences in the future. If you know what you're doing, do it. If you know what you're doing, do it. But please remember, you will bear responsibility for the catastrophic consequences of this action. I stoutly oppose what the government is doing, and we will sit here, listen to you, and vote against what you're doing.
Thank you, Mr. P. Chidambaram. Please. Sri Prashant Nanda.